In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a balance sheet in QuickBooks. This straightforward process should take about 5 minutes and it will help you keep your financial records organized. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to your internet browser and visit the QuickBooks website. Once there, locate and click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you're not already familiar, QuickBooks is a fantastic online accounting software that's incredibly user-friendly and helps you manage your financials seamlessly. After signing in, you'll be prompted to choose an option. Go ahead and select QuickBooks Online, as this is where all of your digital accounting magic happens. Now, you'll be prompted to type in your credentials, your email address, and your password. After entering these, click Continue to proceed. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial to protect your financial data. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to access the Reports section. To do this, look at the navigation menu typically located on the left side of the screen. Click on Reports. This section is the heart of QuickBooks reporting functions, offering you a comprehensive view of all your financial summaries. With the Reports page open, notice the search bar. Here, type the words Balance Sheet. This action will help you find the specific report you need amid the many available options. As you type, QuickBooks is intuitive enough to suggest the report you are looking for. Once you see the balance sheet option appear, click on it. With a click, your balance sheet will open up in a new tab or window. This report provides an in-depth look at your financial position, offering insights into your assets, liabilities, and equity. It's a crucial document for assessing your company's financial health. Before moving to the printing stage, take a moment to review the balance sheet to ensure all details are correct and up to date. This double-checking step can save you potential hassle later on. Now you're ready to print, look for a small printer icon, typically located at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click on this icon and you'll open up the Print Setup menu. This menu allows you to adjust settings such as page orientation, number of copies, and other print preferences. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, a final click on print will send your balance sheet to the connected printer. Make sure your printer is turned on, has adequate paper, and is connected to your device. And just like that, you have successfully printed a balance sheet from QuickBooks. Having this physical copy can be incredibly useful for meetings or when consulting with financial advisors or accountants. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and soon managing your finances in QuickBooks will become second nature.